you look at that, the light's green, ready to go. These people are just sitting here, downshift real quick. This little turn, a little bumpy. Sheesh. What's up, everybody? How y'all doing? Welcome back. Last video, we went for a ride with the wife, and yeah, it was pretty lit. It was a good time. I enjoyed. I honestly, I froze my ass off the whole time. I'm not gonna lie, it was way too cold to be riding, but we had no kids, and you know, you gotta live it up when you got no kids. You just gotta go do those things that you never get to do. And yeah, it was, I mean, it was chill. She had a good time, I had a good time. Today we're back on the normal grind though. You know, we gotta go get bike parts, we gotta go get car parts today. We need a fuel line and an adapter. The adapter that I bought isn't gonna work in the way that I thought it would. So you know what, actually we're gonna go straight. I lied, sorry, my bad. And yeah, we're going straight because we're gonna go to Clarkson Road, and then we'll just drop over to 24 South. That way we don't have to do 2 turnarounds to get into Home Depot, and we can go for a little bit more of a ride. You know, a ride we've done before. We did it last time. It was literally the same ride as last video. We could do a dirt road. That'd be cool. That'd be fun. Take a scenic route. Yo, why don't we do that? Let's do that. Let's take a scenic route. I don't know if I'm really up to it, but I don't really want to go too fast. So let's do it. Fuck it. It's only 2 miles. It's not too far. How bad could it be? Oh god, it could be bad. But you know what life's about? Life's about the fucking adventure. Not sticking to the main roads. Having a little fun. Going out of the norm. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, we're adventure biking today. There's nobody behind us, so we're good. We're chilling. A little swervy. Don't mind me. Lord, please bless my soul. Hope everything goes good for this little ride that we're on here. Just want to, you know, branch out of my safety zone. Kind of feel what it's like to be in situations other than the norm, right? Feel like I've been on the normal path too long. Plus this is like sick. Look at this. It's all flooded back here and shit. I haven't been on a dirt road in a minute. We used to do dirt road blunt rides, not rides, but you know, dirt road blunt smokes all the time. Hood rat shit. Not really hood rat shit. We're gonna call it wood rat shit, you know, because we're like out in the woods and we're little rats. So shit, it's not too bad out here. It's a little bumpy. It's a little bumpy, a little wet. But once we get around this truck, we should be good to get back over to the middle area a little bit. He's probably confused by the fucking back here, but you know, we're chilling. We're having a good time. But yeah, life's been chill. I've been chilling. Been having a good time. I need to slow down. Today's my slow down day. Not necessarily even slow down, but just kind of like slowly get back into the groove of things, because I have not been making videos. Really, I have not been working on my car or any of the projects for that matter. I've just been lazy as fuck. I don't know. Been sitting here cooped up in the house chilling. I don't know why. Oh damn, it's unfortunate they got that blocked off. I was gonna say we could go up there and ride. I don't know if we can get around that. Or is there, I think there might be another parking lot. Is that up here? Go fuck around. But yeah, you know, I haven't been doing these things that I need to be doing. That I don't need to be doing, but to me, I feel like I need to be doing them. So, yeah, let's go up in here. Oh yeah. Let's get a nice little walk around on the bike real quick. Oh, off-roading. But yeah, we got a birthday party. Get to go see my grandpa and shit today, so that's cool. He's the one that gave me this jacket that I'm wearing and my pants that I use. So I don't know, I'm just trying to appreciate the day. I don't really have a plan of anything to talk about. I really just, you know, wanted to make a video. Here we are, we got the seat freshly updated, and I think it's nice. It adds some style. This is the seat from Honda. It's basically the same amount of money on Scamazon. I don't know if the quality would be the same, because this thing is pretty fucking, it's pretty low tier. You know, the thing already ripped. I had to cut it. It's not the greatest. This is not too good. If it does break, I'll probably just reupholster it myself, because that's what I did with the mini bike seat. Came out decently enough, you know, it's fine. We can make it work. We'll just staple it in back here where you can't see it, and then bolt it on. Our custom bolts here, and stock exhaust back on. I want to get another exhaust of some sort. I will say this bag is kind of in the way of the kickstand, but yeah, I do want to get another I don't know, exhaust of some sort. That's what I was gonna say. But enough rambling, let's get back on the road, baby. Damn it, I really was hoping that it would. Oh, it does. Okay, wait, let's try this. We're gonna try to drift it. Oh shit. Oh shit, Jakey boy. Fucking turd. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. We're good. Holy shit. No, I dented the fucking the gas tank. No. Oh no. I dented the fuck out of the gas tank. Oh, that's embarrassing. Good lord. Okay. Yo, we're still gonna try it. I don't fucking care, whatever. We done fucked up the bike enough already. I don't want to fucking smash the bike here. Hopefully I didn't bend anything. I think I did. I think I bent my handlebar. How do you bend them in fucking dirt though? Definitely not straight. Son of a bitch, man. Well. Oh, it was starting. Oh, damn it, dude. I think I'm letting the clutch a little bit too out. It started to slide a little bit. I've been watching too much stunt riding. This is not my level of ability. Clearly, I just dropped the fucking bike trying to turn. Nah, I can't do it, dude. Fucking retarded. Oh, shit. I can't, like, I gotta like commit too much with the wheel turn, and I am not committed enough with the wheel turn. I've already dropped it once. Let's just get the fuck out of here. Holy shit. Yeah, my bars are bent. My bars are bent for sure. Sick. All that talk about having a good time today, well, it's not so much a good time anymore. Oh damn, we could have came back over here and fucked around too. Recreational passport required. I have one. Oh god damn, it's bumpy. Bumpy, bumpy, bumpy. Bumpy, bumpy, bumpy. Bumpy, bumpy, bumpy. Yeah, I'm kind of fucking sad though, because I messed my bars up. I don't know if like I bent the actual bar or what I did, but it's not okay. I'm a little upset with myself, and yeah, unfortunately I'm gonna probably have to post this video anyways, just to keep up the flow and you know, not be a bitch about it and lie, act like everything's fine. I know people do that. I'm not that type of person. I'm gonna keep it a buck, baby. I fucked up. I dropped the bike. Ah, shit. Oh god. Okay, next time just pay a little bit more attention to what we're doing, right? It's okay. It's a learning moment. It's an expensive learning moment. We fucked up the tank, dented it, and bent the fucking bar. I'm pretty sure like the bar itself, like the handlebar itself, is bent. I don't know. I really don't know. I don't know how to go about fixing that, so that'll be fun to do. Make sure nobody's behind us. I'm going quite slow. Well, got myself into a little bit of a predicament-dilly. Private property. We'll shoot you. Hell yeah, brother. Respect, G. Good. Man, I was so scared the first time I came down a dirt road. I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna die. It's not that bad. Yo, fuck, dude, I'm stupid. This road comes out. The Home Depot is right there. No. Oh my god, we're still gonna have to hit a turnaround. All that to not have to hit a turnaround. I had to hit a turnaround, and I fucked my bike up. Ow, Jacob! What are you doing? Brother, I'm about to get on the fucking dude. Should I dude, it's tempting. Should I just get on the side? Or no, dude, I don't know. Oh, so much of me wants to just get on the fucking sidewalk and just ride over there real quick. But I don't want to push my luck any more than I already have. Cause like, yeah, you know what? We're not gonna push our luck right now. Knowing my luck, I'll get a fucking ticket or some stupid shit, and then I'll be like, oh, blah, 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 blah. I mean, it still rides, but like, yeah, it's definitely not proper. All good. Shit happens, right? Shit happens. Just fucking remember, shit happens. I'm just gonna fucking park right here. I don't care. I can walk. I want to look at the bike and see what the fuck happened to it. Try to understand. I think they like are physically bent. I think so. God damn, bro. Well, I mean, nothing else is fucked up. Let's go inside. Well, we don't have much camera battery left, unfortunately. And I don't have more than one battery, so let's get back on the road. I gotta go to Ace. This video is probably gonna end here soon in a second once we get back on the road, and we'll call it a day. Unfortunately, you know, I dropped the bike. I goofed. The worst part was I wasn't even fucking trying to do like the little drifty things in the dirt that I was trying to do. I got a little bit of a tire spin like 3 or 4 times over there trying to get it to do its thing. I think I'm just too afraid to commit to how turned I have to turn the front wheel to get the tire to like spin and actually drift. I don't know. I'm not comfortable with it. And I mean, obviously, as you've seen, I dropped the fucking bike just sitting there, so it doesn't really help the situation. So yeah, I gotta figure out what to do about that and with the bars, and you know, go from there. We'll probably end up having another video here next week where we fix that, but it'll probably be today that I do it. So yeah, before the camera dies, thank you guys for watching. I mean, feel free to roast me in the comments. I'm sure people are already going to roast me anyways. And if you have any advice on how to properly do, I mean, one, the bike is not the proper bike. I feel like I was riding the clutch a little bit too much, instead of leaving it like 3/4 engaged, just so there's enough for it to like grip, you know. But yeah, I don't know, if you have any advice, please, I would appreciate advice on how to become better at doing those things. It could be also ABS. I feel like I need to look into potentially bypassing ABS. Not really a safe thing to do, but you know, nothing I do is supposed to be safe. I'm just out here trying to have a fucking good time, have fun, learn, fuck up, fail a little bit, and then figure it out from there. One day I'm gonna be a Dyna bro, and I'm gonna be drifting the Dynas, dog. I'm gonna be doing wheelies on the Harley. I don't know though, really, that seems a little far-fetched, but I mean, don't let your dreams be dreams. Fucking just do that shit, right? And you gotta start somewhere, so here I am starting somewhere on what I got. No more trying to wait around for a bike to learn wheelies and stupid shit on. I should probably get the brace bar so that we don't mess up anything else on the bike. But beyond that, I don't really know. So yeah, thanks y'all for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed me make a fool of myself, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.